Guys, welcome back for this brand new video, and today we are playing Battle Warships. And look at the screen, guys. I buy a new ship of aircraft carrier. This got $6 million, guys. Barely so expensive. And barely have $98,000. I got $6 million. Now I have less, so I have $98,000. So remember, guys, you remember that we did a video of Congo, and we got to level 26, and I'll show you the winners. So you're still on the winner. So we're going to start this video right now. I just bought it. I didn't use it, guys. I promise I didn't use it. Okay, I didn't use it. I was trying to do a video, but I make a mistake, so I need to do it again. So while we talking, I need you guys to subscribe, hit the little bell. Let's get this started. Okay, guys, we are in, and we're going full speed. We are turning. I don't know why it's glitched like this. Excuse me? I don't have an idea what is happening right now. But our idea is doing this video and use our new ship of our aircraft carrier. It's going faster. I don't know what's like glitch like this. Strange. Why is glitching? Every time, guys. Every time I start a video of Battle Warships like this started. Okay, guys. I don't have an idea what is happening right now, but barely like it's going to ship, right? Then it looks like it's stopping, but not. Okay, I'm going to put somewhere to hide. Dang, this ship is going fast. Although it has a good ability. Only has 6 airplanes, so we're gonna start to upgrade this thing. We're only gonna use start just for 1 round, and yeah, just 1 more round. And if we can do another video of this, we need to go to 4 likes in this video. Okay, so okay, took us a lot of time to. Oh, torpedoes thing! Ow, ow, ow! Okay, getting shot at, getting shot at. Why is not turning? Dang, this game is glitch. Okay, there's no worst start over here. Ouch. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Na 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 na. Okay. Get out of my way. Okay? Get out of here. Hey, what is happening right now? What is happening? Dang. I think it's my worst start to start the video. So let's see if we can get some hits and some kills. Let's see if we could get the new ship. Please subscribe, hit the little bell, guys. If we could get the 3 kills, you guys know. And okay, turn it like this. Dude, this ship is barely so long and big. Damn. Okay, stopping right here. Stopping, okay. Let's do, I don't know what's glitching like this. So strange, right, guys? I don't know about this. Let's go this side. I don't know what it's glitching about, but I need to stop. Okay, right There. Good. Right there. I think. I don't know. I will know. Okay? Okay, I need you guys to subscribe, please. If we go to 5 likes, please. When you guys want to do the next video of this, I want you guys to do next video of this, okay? I need you guys, please hit the like button, please. Okay. Oh, whoa. It's gonna be a direct hit. It's gonna be a direct hit. Nope, never mind. Stop glitching like this. Dude, what is happening in this game? Dang, I need like some fix. I think I'm gonna broke the game. Guys, if you see me that the game is glitching right now, please give me a comment right now. Guys, give me a comment below if you want to do in the next video. Just say yes or no. Guys, I'm still 50 subscribers. Just need 5 subscribers more, okay? So if we can get to 20 subscribers, please, guys, please. I don't know what's happened in the game, but I think right here is gonna be good. No, I think it's too. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Turning to the left. Turning to the left. Okay, this is my worst start to start in a video. So each time I do a video, sometimes I do the worst start, and sometimes I do the bad start. No wait, what did I say again? Okay, let's do this again. Sometimes I do good start, but sometimes I do bad start. So let's turn it over here. Anyway, we turn it into airplanes. Good. And I didn't get any hits. So guys, I told you guys, this is my worst start I ever had. Right there, come on, let's see if we can get a hit right there. Okay, come on. Okay, we're going to lose our first airplane aircraft, so what should we do? Okay, wait, guys, we can get a hit. No, just 1 inch. No. Quap. Dang it. No. Dang it. We're gonna turn guys back. There's only 2 enemies left. Wait, I think we're gonna get a hit. We don't know. Please get the hit. Please get the hit. Please. No! I hate this! Dang it! I told you guys that is my worst start I never had. But if you want to do the next part, if we can do the perfect start, okay? We gonna do another one. Okay, over here. Nope, never mind. I thought they're gonna turn. And never mind. Okay. Okay. I don't know what the game is glitching about. Please help me. Please help me. Okay, come on. Go, yes, come on. Yes. I think it's a perfect hit. Nope, my dreams. I didn't have a perfect shot. Well, nope. Wait! We got it, guys. We got it. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button, okay? Hit that, okay? We got our first hit of this aircraft carrier. And I know we'll be taking damage without a boat. Okay, good. Right here. Let's see if we can get some hits right there. I think that's a perfect hit. I barely thought so. I need still to upgrade this. So I'm seeking a ship. Quap. Okay, well, I really lost all my planes. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. I need you guys to hit the like, please, guys, and please subscribe because I'm still stuck. Hello, Oscar. I'm still stuck. I'm still stuck. And the 50 subscribers, 50 followers right now, and let's see if we can get a hit right here. Right there. Nope, I think not. Oh, so close. Wait. Give me a second. We got it, guys. We got it. Just slow down. We got it, guys. Please subscribe. Okay. Good. We got 131,000 damage. Good. That's good. Wait. Just wait. Okay. I'm not going to that ship. Just give me a second. Come on. Come on, you little sheepy. Come on, you little sheepy. Come on, you little ship. You little ship. Okay, we're going to put it right there. Full speed ahead. Oh, we're going to do a perfect hit right there. No, I think not. Wait, what? Wamp! Anyways, we got 131 damage. Land up, please. Good. Come on, just a little more. 40 kilometers, 10 seconds. Right there! Go! Full speed. Direct hit. Direct hit, boys. Let's see if we can get a kill. Boys. So close. I'm going close. Oh, I thought the video is gonna be long. I thought. Come on, you little sheepy. No! Ah, so close with the kill. So close. Ah, well, look at the reward that we got. Guys, smash the like button, please. Please, guys. That was the fun battle I ever had, but that was start anyways. And I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe, hit the little bell. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the little bell that you cannot miss any video. And remember, guys, Modolex, okay? Don't forget, okay? Because some people forget my name. So, Modolex, Modolex, and space and 33x. I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you guys in the next video.